Hello everyone, my name is surajsunarofficial and welcome back channel. Let me tell you a real story. A 22 years old guy wakes up very late and first thing he does is grabs his phone and starts scrolling. And 5 minutes in, he sees someone his age making money, another one traveling the world, another one building something big. And suddenly his mood changes. He puts his phone down and starts staring at the ceiling. And one thought hit him very hard. He thinks, what am I doing with my life? And then another one, why am I so behind? Why can't I figure anything out? And suddenly that frustration turns into self-hate. And believe me, if this feels personal, it's because this is not just a story. This is a real life for thousands of people in their 20s. And here's the truth that nobody tells you. You are not lost because you are lazy. You are not lost because you are not capable. You are lost because no one ever taught you how to build a life. No one ever taught you how to handle with confusion, how to handle with pressure, how to move when you don't have clarity. So what do? You overthink, you doubt yourself, and you wait. You wait for the right moment. But that moment, it never comes. And this is how it happens. Days turn into month turns into years, and you are still in the same place. But listen to me very carefully. Feeling lost in your 20s is normal, but staying lost, it's a choice. So you don't need a perfect plan in your 20s. You don't need a full of confidence. You need movement, and that's all you need now. Start small, start messy, learn something, try something, fail at something, because clarity, it doesn't come from thinking all day. Clarity comes from action. Every small step you take, even if it's feel useless, it's building something inside you. Discipline, confident, direction. And one day you will wake up and feel different. Not perfect, but stronger. Clarity in mind, in control. Not because life got easier, but because you finally moved. So if you are watching this right now and feeling lost, feeling stuck, this is your sign. Not tomorrow, not next week. Right now, today, restart your life. Even if it is messy, even if it is small, just start your life, because your life is not over. You are just at the beginning. And this time, don't just thinking about changing your life. Just start, no matter what. And let's see what will happen. And don't give up, guys. No matter how tough you feel, no matter how hard life hit you, just keep going, and best of luck.